Auntie Jennie. I'm niece Maria, and today we're opening up our monthly snack box.
Let's go.
Today we have Sweden.
Yay!
So, fun facts about Sweden. Swedish people produce so little waste that the country imports waste from Norway to keep trash companies busy. In parts of Sweden, light boxes are installed at bus stops so during that long, dark winter months, people can get some extra light. North Korea has been over $1 billion in debt to Sweden since 1974. Invoices are still being sent to this day. Sweden is the only country in the world where donations stand for more than 1% of the GDP. One of the Swedish kings became a pirate after he was forced away from the crown. So, the first item we have are Estrella grill chips, which is perfect for every cookout. These crispy, rigid potato chips are flavored with salt and onion powder and are made from only the finest potatoes. Next we have dill and gräslök chips, a true Swedish favorite. These crispy, rigid potato chips are flavored generously with dill and chives.
Ooh.
Then we have this Zingo, which is a snack crate plus, which is a zesty, naturally flavored orange soda. This refreshing drink has been around for decades, proving its vast popularity. Next we have
Here's Zuko.
Algren's Billar. Accidentally created in 1954 during an attempt to produce marshmallows, these light and chewy candies are molded into the shape of little cars. And we have the double nougat. Light and soft nougat is combined with a layer of dark hazelnut nougat to create a decadent chocolatey snack. And we have Dame Bar, originally known as I don't know how to pronounce it. This snack features almond caramel covered in rich milk chocolate, so good you'll be saying, "Oh hot damn."
Hot damn.
And there's another one. And then there's this Marabou Oreo. Delicious Marabou chocolate filled with a satisfying amount of Oreo cookie bits, surrounded by sweet vanilla cream. And then there's the Bubs
Scally.
Chewy skull-shaped gummies that have that delicious tangy flavor of fresh picked raspberries. Have one or have them all. And then we have the Cloetta Kex bar. This classic crispy wafer bar is covered in milk chocolate, leaving you with the perfect combination of sweet crunch in every bite.
Look how they sell chocolate.
That sounds good.
Chocolate. And then there's the Dumle snacks. A delicious combination of foamed caramel mixed with crisp rice, then coated in milk chocolate. Two more. We have the Plop, a milk chocolate candy bar filled with decadent caramel. Each bar is cut into little squares, perfect for sharing with a friend or not. And then there's these two banana skids. A chewy, stretchy taffy with a unique taste of banana and toffee in every bite.
Ooh.
And that's it.
Yay! Sweden. Thank you. Here's Lady.
First is the Algren's Billar.
Okay.
This is marshmallows. They said they accidentally created it.
The squishy.
There's a car.
Okay. good. Try the red one. It has a hint of like. It's pretty good, huh? It's nice and light.
It's supposed to be
Excuse the dogs in the background.
Mom.
These are good. It's sour.
I want to try the wafer.
This one? This is the
Kex.
Cloetta sex.
You gotta talk in that accent, please.
Oh my god.
Did it melt?
Yeah.
That's what happens when. Look at. Oh. That Kit Kat.
Oh yeah.
This is good. No, my lads. That's good.
It's a lot chocolater than
Lady wants some.
Hey.
No more. No more, please. No more.
Salt and onion powder.
That sounds good. No, lady. Look how she's like all up in Maria's face.
Wait.
Open it. Strip the end.
Stuck in the middle. Whatever.
No, the one that you bit.
Really oniony and garlicky. It's good, huh?
Next.
Try that. Damn.
Oh, there's two of them.
Hot damn.
That is.
Don't tell me it's melted.
Chocolate?
Okay. Well, it looks like a Heath bar.
Break it off. Break it. Okay, break that.
No. I'm good. No, I'm good. I'm good. No, I'm good.
Oh, it's like a youth. Yeah.
Go.
It's like a Heath bar, huh? Score. Lady, you're sneaky,
I like
lady.
this one.
It's like the coffee.
It's like the Heath and the Score.
I like this one a lot.
Is that hot damn?
It's the damn. Or the dang. It's in the coffee.
I want to eat more of it. I'm gonna finish it.
What about the nougat?
Okay.
Some nougat?
You don't have nougat? What is it?
Nougat.
Let me see. Oh, I didn't see the teeth.
Let's try the nougat.
I just saw the alien. Oh, nougat.
This one's kind of melted.
Mister.
Yeah, that's what happens in the heat.
Mom, you want some?
No, I'm good. Try it. You tell me if it's good. Oh, it's soft.
Whoa.
Is it good? That's a thick chocolate.
The fudge bar.
This is thick chocolate.
It's like fudge, right?
It tastes like Nutella.
Really? So this
Chocolate.
hazelnut.
Good chocolate.
I'm full.
Okay. That's it for now. Thank you, Maria. Thank you, lady. Thank you, you too. Thank you for watching. I hope my video was helpful enough for you to get an inside look on what to expect when subscribing to Snack Crate, which is a monthly subscription where you get a box of goodies from different countries from around the world. And if you really enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my Instagram and Facebook page. And as always, thank you for watching. This is Travels by Auntie Jennie. Have a great day.